Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can stop your Shopify subscription. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, orders, products, customers. You're gonna find content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here you're gonna find sales channels, and the rest you're gonna find point of sale, and also online store. And lastly, here you're gonna find your applications. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find settings. So go ahead and click on settings. And after that, here you're gonna find all these sections. So right here you're gonna find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. So right now go to plan. And once you do that, right here under plan details, you're gonna find your plan. As you can see guys, in my case, I have the trial plan. So basically guys, in order to stop the subscription, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is click on cancel the plan, and then they're gonna ask you, are you sure? And before you go, they're gonna tell you that's canceling any unwanted subscriptions. Third-party apps may continue to charge you after cancellation. Save any needed store information by exporting CSV file, and also look into steps to take before deactivating your store. If you are sure, click on continue, and then you're good to go. If you want to subscribe to another plan, just click on choose plan, and then from here you can choose another plan to subscribe to. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.